If you're using PublishDrive to fulfill distribution to numerous platforms, then you probably got a notification in your email inbox about Google Play Books pulling your books off the market if you didn't do this one step. I'm going to tell you more about that in today's video, so make sure that you stay tuned. This is Self-Publishing with Dale, where you learn to publish books that sell and build an unstoppable author brand. Stick around to the end because I'm going to share with you why you should use PublishDrive for aggregate publishing and how they are related to Google Play Books. Also, if you don't know much about Google Play Books, then you may want to take a look at my other video about Google Play Books and how I review them in the link in the description down below. In the meantime, if you are utilizing PublishDrive for distributing your book out to numerous platforms, and you're fully aware that Google Play Books just recently asked something of PublishDrive and anybody utilizing PublishDrive to distribute out to Google Play Books. PublishDrive sent out an email and it basically said this: Google has remained an important partner throughout PublishDrive's journey. Together, we've helped provide better value for indie authors and publishers. We've also fought hard for our users to have easy access to Google's robust publishing platform. But as Google evolves, it's important that we make adjustments to ensure we're compliant with their changing policies, as with all of our partners in publishing. Recent changes in Google Play's policies require that they must be in direct legal relationship with the copyright holder. Let me translate that. Google Play just changed a lot of their policies and PublishDrive is having to acquiesce at this point. It's no fault of theirs. They essentially, in order to have a good relationship with Google Play Books, they have to do something first. What Google Play Books wants is a direct relationship with the people that are publishing books. So, for instance, since PublishDrive was already doing this, they had a direct relationship with PublishDrive, not the authors and not the people that were uploading the content there. So now they want to have that middleman removed. But the nice thing is they're not telling you PublishDrive should just go away, that you should just directly upload to their platform. You can technically upload to Google Play Books. But if you're like me, I would rather have one single dashboard that aggregates out to numerous platforms and have somebody else take care of it for me. Enter PublishDrive. To make it super simple, Google Play Books really wants this from you. They want you to set up an account with Google Play Books. And what you can do then is give permission to PublishDrive to post on your behalf and also track any kind of earnings and expenses. The nice thing is you don't need to mess with anything behind your Google Play Books dashboard because PublishDrive is going to manage all that. So I'm going to go ahead and show you exactly how to do that behind the dashboard. Okay, go into the email that PublishDrive sent out yesterday and click on the step-by-step guide here. It'll show you just a little bit about the Google Play sign-up process. So if you don't have a Google Play Books account, they'll show you exactly where you need to go, setting up your legal name, your email, the country that you reside. You're going to have to, of course, check off on their terms and conditions. It should be noted that I already had a Google Play Books account, so I can skip through this process. If you have not set up a Google Play Books account yet, you're going to have to go through this step by step, and it's fairly intuitive. Once you have your account set up, just scroll up and you're going to click on this form on step number 4. And it'll take you on over into another form as soon as you have all this set up, and you're going to be agreeing to what the client services that they're going to be providing. I just selected all of these because that's what I want them to worry about and not me. Fill in your company name, your personal name related to the account, and then you need to enter in your Google collection code. We're going to go over into the Google account after we've had it set up. You're going to select Book Catalog, click the drop down for Advanced, and then select Manage Templates. In there you'll see default settings, and you're going to want to copy that collection code there, insert it into the Google collection code area. I just skipped Google Account Manager email. We're going to go into Client Services Provider, of course that's PublishDrive, and then you're going to put their contact email of support@publishdrive.com. Click the box, and then hit submit. Well, that was super simple, right? I mean, it just took a few steps and you're done. And I'm just pretty happy with it. Actually, after I was done, I immediately got an email from Google Play essentially saying this: Thanks for submitting this request. Per your request, I've added PublishDrive as the manager for your Google Play Books Partner Center account. PublishDrive now has access to the following: manage settings and files, manage payments and reports. But why use PublishDrive anyways? And in fact, what is PublishDrive? If you're new to this business, you're probably going, I don't know what you're talking about. But the good news is I've already got this all queued up. I've even covered this to a certain extent in this next video. So I'm going to go over, meet you there. Similar to the other self-publishing platforms out there, it's free to upload and free to use. All you need is an EPUB for your interior files and a JPEG for your book.